Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are all doing very well. As we know, we are all up against a crisis. But if we look at history, women willpower has always come out victorious. Because we have this unique gift of adopting and more importantly, learning. I am proud as a nation doing our best. But we don't want your learning stop. That's why we are trying to teach you by this process. So stay safe and keep learning. In our previous two lessons, we have learnt about nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. In this lesson, we will learn about singular and plural forms of nouns. Now look at my right hand. How many pens do I have in my right hand? I have one pen in my right hand. And how many do you can see in my left hand? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pens in my left hand. So I have 5 pens in my both hands. Today our lesson is singular and plural form of nouns by adding s or es. A noun can refer to one or more than one person, animal, place or thing. What is singular noun? Singular means one. Singular means one. When a noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called singular noun. For example, a pen, a boy, a cat, a rat, a house, a flower, etc. We add s to most of the nouns to show plural forms. Like this is a pen, but these are pens. A pen, P-E-N, but these are pens, P-E-N-S. That is a cat, but those are cats. This is a dog, those are dogs. We add s to most of the nouns to show the plural forms. Now look at your book, page number 21. One dog, plural is many dogs. One rat, plural is many rats. One bird, plural many birds. One cat, plural many cats. Now turn over the page number 22. Number 8. Now complete these words by adding s. One bag. Adding s meaning B-A-G-S. Bags. One bag. The plural form is many bags. One flower. Many F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Many flowers. One kite. Many kites. So we add s to make it plural. One ball, many balls. One tap, many T-A-P-S, taps. One cow, many cows. Now page number 23. Let us learn about singular and plural. One cat means one cat. Pan means one pan. Cats mean more than one cat. You can see here there are 2 cats. When it is called cat, that means a cat. And cats mean 2 cats. Number B. Underline the nouns in these sentences. If it is singular or one, write the letter S in the blank. If it is plural or more than one, write the letter P in the blank. 2 have been done for you. What is the first sentence? The cow is big. The cow is big. Is there any S? No. The cow. So this is a singular form. So S. Number 2. 3 birds are flying. 3. Notice 3 birds. 3 birds are flying. So this is the plural form. So P. The girls are playing. Look at the word girl. G-I-R-L. No, this is G-I-R-L-S. So this is the plural form of girl. The girls are playing. So this is the plural form. The tap is open. The tap, not taps. The tap means one tap. This is singular number. So this way you can identify the sentence which one is singular and which one is plural. Now turn over the page number 24. Number C. Adding A's to these words to change one of each kind into many. One has been done for you. Add A's to make those words plural. Flower means one flower. If we add A's to flower, it means many flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Car means one car. Add A's to make it plural. Cars, C-A-R-S. So what you need to do? You need to do add A's to change one of each kind into many. Now adding ES. Now let us learn little more about plurals. We saw how we add A's to change a singular noun into plural, like boy, boys, cat, cats, ball, balls. But what we do when a word ends with S or double S? If the word is bus, can we write buses, B-U-S-S? No. We will write B-U-S-E-S, buses, not B-U-S-S, bus. This is wrong. The right answer is B-U-S-E-S. We add E-S to a singular noun that ends with C-H, S-H, O, S, double S, X and Z to make it plural. Remember, we add ES to a singular noun that ends with CH, SH, O, S, double S, X and Z to make it plural. Like dress, D-R-E-S-S, dress. When we make it plural, we add ES, D-R-E-S-S, dresses. B-O-X, box, means one box. We add ES to make it plural. B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Brush, B-R-U-S-H, brush. We add ES, B-R-U-S-H-E-S, brushes. Like quiz, Q-U-I-Z, quiz. We add ES, quizzes, Q-U-I-Z-E-S. Now look at your book. Page number 25, chapter 4. Dress, dresses, D-R-E-S-S-E-S, dresses. Brush, brushes. Bench, C-H. The last two letters are C-H. B-E-N-C-H, bench. So we add E-S. B-E-N-C-H-E-S, benches. Box, B-O-X, box. B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Turn over the page. Let us now add ES to these singular nouns to make them plural. Bush. What do we add? We add ES when the word ends with SH. B-U-S-H, bush. B-U-S-H-E-S, bushes. A-S-S. We will add ES to make it plural. A-S-S. A-S-S-E-S, ashes. M-A-T-C-H, match, B-O-X, box, match box. So, match boxes. Brush, brushes. Page number 27. Fox, branch, bus, church, glass. What will we do? We will do add ES to make them plural. So, today we learned that we add S or ES to the nouns to make them plural. Thank you very much. Stay at your home, be safe and keep learning.